Hello and welcome back. This is the final step in this big AR project that we are working on. In this video, we will learn how to share your project with family and friends. If you've not watched the previous videos on how to create your project, add 3D models, audio, etc., click on the link in the video description. First things first, open your project in ZappAR, and once you're inside, click on the blue button at the top right that reads Publish. This will make your project available for others to see. After publishing, you will see that it comes with a QR code. Now click on the arrow on the left side next to the name of the project. Here is where you can see the information about your project, and most importantly, the QR code. You'll be able to print both your QR code and the tracking image of your classroom. And then how it works is that you can have your friends scan the QR code with their phones, click on the launch button in the orange screen, and then use their phones to point to the tracking image. Here, they will be able to see the classroom come to life. Another option is to have your QR code and your tracking image open on the screen of your laptop or computer, just like I'm doing, and ask them to scan the QR code. Click on Launch and then point their phones at the tracking image. And that's a tutorial on how to create an immersive experience with augmented reality using ZappAR. Now you have recreated a page of the Program City AR language book. We hope you loved creating this experience. Don't forget to check out the other video tutorials available on the website www.programcityonline.org to create other immersive experiences. Thank you for watching!